Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing in Adobe Acrobat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to highlight your PDF with different color in Adobe Acrobat. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we're going to start from the top right here. Let's say for instance, your company name right here. You want to highlight this. Just highlight the text right here. The next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on highlight right here. So when you select highlight, then the color is going to be pump up right here and add into the text. Then you can change the color right here. So when you click on it, you see different options, and then you can choose different color right here. So if you are not satisfied with that, you can choose this. You can choose as the case may be. So we have this particular point right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to highlight this part. So just highlight the text. When you highlight the text, then you can go ahead and then choose a color to fill in that point right here. So for that, go ahead and click on this particular highlight text. Then you can also change the color from here. Go ahead and click on it and then select another color right here. So we can then you are good to go. Let's say for instance we want to highlight some of the heading in this particular document right here. So go ahead and highlight the text. So when you highlight the text, go ahead and click on this pen icon right here. Then you have the color right here. Go ahead and click on the color and the text. Then this is going to pump up. You can choose another color from here. So I'm going to use this color here. Then it has been effect. Then let's go ahead and highlight this also. Click on this highlight text. Then you can click back to select another color of your choice. So this time around, click on here. I'm going to use this color right here. So you can go on and highlight with different kind of color as the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Go ahead and click on here again, then and change the color right here to another color. And at the same time, you can as well click on this trash bin right here to delete the color. Not satisfied with the color. So let's go back to the highlight. Click on highlight text right here, then click on it back, then you can choose another color right here. So you can go on and use this method to highlight some of the text in your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about PDF editing like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.